Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. You click on settings, then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Hello app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next